Hello, we're Lamar and Terry, owners of Babbling Brook Cottages in the Poconos. As certified Poconos Tourism Ambassadors, we help guests like you create stress-free, memory-filled escapes in nature all year long. Think of us as your personal guides to exploring the outdoors, discovering local eats, uncovering history, and finding hidden gems throughout the area. Welcome to Babbling Brook Cottages. We are nestled on the eastern edge of the Pocono Mountains of Pennsylvania and are open year-round, offering 5 unique, cozy cabins dating back to the 1930s, each thoughtfully updated with today's modern comforts. Every cabin is seasonally decorated to bring the serenity of nature indoors and fully equipped with everything you need. We make it easy to relax. Set in the heart of the Delaware Water Gap National Recreation Area, we're just minutes from over 20 waterfalls and more than 150 miles of hiking trails. From your cabin door, you can even walk to 3 spectacular waterfalls inside George W. Child Park. Whether you're here to explore or simply unplug beside a campfire under the stars, we're here to help you create a stay that's truly unforgettable. To learn more and book your stay, visit BabblingBrookCottages.com.